Some feelings, ayy. Now I'm catching planes. I just want the billies, ayy. I won't ever change. Woke up in the hillies, yeah. Red dots on my phone. If it ain't about money, then bitch, leave me alone.
Oh, we got it. Ew. Wait, that's actually pretty cool. It scopes in so fast. Oh my god, that's so cool. Oh, bro, you hit some nasty shots with this thing, bro. Imagine just going like, bruh. See how it fires. Oh, if you hold down the scope, I wouldn't hold down the scope. I would fire it like that.
What is that actually? Oh my god, I got it. Oh my god, I got the new gun. Oh. I'm ready to shoot this bad boy. Ooh. Ooh, 88 headshot, okay. Okay! Oh my god, bro! Oh my god, this gun, bro, what? Let's get it. Dang, this is my new sniper, baby. I'm freaking out right now, dude. I'm freaking out. Oh my god, this is scoped, though. Ooh. No, dude! Come on. I'm so sad right now. Oh my god. Yeah.
Oh my god. This is the best gun ever. Let's go, boys. We got our favorite gun.
Ooh, I can't wait to try this gun out. Ooh. I mean, I tried it already, but I can't wait to, you know, where some guy isn't.
Well, you gotta look at it. My 1 day is more than the average because of Kovacs. So, okay. Oh my god.
Oh my, I'm so tired of these zipline bugs, dude. They are pissing me off.
I'm gonna open this chest. You're gonna see me get a rift to go out of a chest.
You won't. You won't do it? Oh no!
He had 2 kills, yeah. He had 2 kills. Yeah, I had 2 kills! I killed Aiden! Yeah, I had 2 kills! I had 2 kills! I'm going to school. 200 wins now. Let's fucking go, dude. So, I got 200 wins. I got 200 plus wins.
Same, dude. You fucking asshole. I'm literally about to tweet out that Epic's the dumbest company ever, but I'm gonna refrain from doing so. Just not, you know?
Got one on me. Oh, it's 2 of them. Jeez. 3 of them. What the fuck? Come on, they clean it up. Clean up, crew, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, here's a fucking plane. There's a fucking plane right on time. We're good. No, I don't know.
I got the bug, dude.
What the fuck is this? They got out.
Wait. He's grappling out.
Bounce off the front spot.
He's grappling up again. Grapple guy's weak. Dead. Nice.
I had the fucking bug, dog. There's a grappler right here if someone wants it. I need to go back to the. I need to go down.
I need meds. Tom screwed.
You guys want to see some?
Easy breezy.
Alright, well. Okay, well.
I have a purple heavy on me. Whoa.
Oh my god.
Turner.
Oh god.
Turner's been
I
murdered.
hate this game, dude. Why does it always hate me?
I hate this game. Why does it
Like-
always hate me?
Like, it's never just one bug. It's always got to be a fucking collage of them, dude.
Don't worry. I've got you covered, dude.
What the? Did he even aim at that guy? I don't even know, dude.
You mean Grubhub? Alright, we're putting the Cheez-Its away.
Or I'll throw you an extra $1 if you punch that box right now.
What? The timing of that! Whoa! We making bank! We making bank! Oh my god, the timing! Yo, clip that!
Dr. Lupo! It's Lupo, man!
Ooh, baby, the triple, dude.
Whoa, wait.
Jesus, what a low ground.
Wait,
dude.
no.
Holy
You don't even understand. Dude, this game is so broken, I swear. Let me get menace. I should not have taken damage right there.
You have a full pot too?
No, I do not. No, like, actually, I 100% should not have taken damage right there. That would...
What? Dude. Above. Or more above.
Oh, let's go, dude.
Good shit, dude. Bro. Good shit, man. This guy fucking dinked me, man. Are you kidding?
Good to go check for some air butt.